Hi, my name is Louie, and today I've got
Damon with Premier.
So every now and then we get a trade.
This is this is a one without an engine.
Yeah, I didn't see the engine. Where is it? Yeah,
Non-motorized.
Non-motorized. So what is this? A 2019?
2017.
17.
And it's Airstream. It's their Classic, which is the flagship 30-footer.
30-footer.
They made it with twin beds or a queen bed. This is the queen. So pretty nice little unit that we got from a customer.
I would think the queen bed would be a little bit more popular.
I would too. Yeah.
So that's kind of nice to have that from a floor plan standpoint.
It is, and what's unique about this, when they do twin beds, they're in the front. So typically they just take the queen out and put twins in, which the queen's in the back of this, but they changed the whole floor plan. The bathroom goes in the back, the twin beds are in the front. And
that makes sense.
yeah, it's very
I
different.
think, is this the third or fourth Airstream we've had here?
I think it's the third one.
So
Yeah.
again, we're indoors, really nice coach. This customer, he bought a motorized vehicle from us.
08 42-foot Magna.
And we're gonna try to help him out and sell this for him. So
Yes,
this is all you.
I'm ready.
I know nada, no habla inglés.
I hope I'm up for the challenge.
Yeah.
There's a lot to cover here. He's done a lot of upgrades. It's had two owners. The first owner didn't have it very long, and then they bought it. They're from Washington. He's very knowledgeable and active with the Airstream community, and there was a lot of things he pointed out that confirmed that to me. So we'll start in the front like we always do, Lou.
Yeah.
It's got an electric jack, and we're going to go over the electric leveling jacks, stabilizing and leveling that it also has. This is one of the many items he's done to it. It's a Propride 3P equalizer hitch system that it's your equalizer hitch, and it also adds a lot of stability or sway control. There's no buffering when trucks pass. He couldn't say enough about this hitch system. It was $4,000, and it's pretty robust.
Yeah.
We had a few guys looking at it like, how the heck does this Airstream come out with this truck?
That thing is massive. I mean,
Yeah.
but that's nice to have if you're in wind and like you're saying, you don't want the white knuckles with the trucks passing you.
Exactly, and I didn't even realize that, but he said this really made a big difference, and he's very much for this Propride option. This Airstream has dual 40-gallon propane tanks right here, and behind that it'll have 4 Crown AGM 6-volt batteries wired in a series that the customer upgraded to. So yeah, there's a lot going on just in the first 4 feet. We haven't even got to the unit yet.
Yeah, and this window comes up, huh?
Yeah, a little, what did you call it, an awning, I guess? Having some technical difficulty here.
That's all right. There you go.
Overall, it's in really nice shape. I've walked around it and through it a few times, and actually,
there's no bad smells or anything. It's hardly used, huh?
Hardly used. Called the factory, got the original window sticker, no problem. They were very nice to talk to. It's got a power zip-D awning, so there's a switch in the doorway that operates this, and you can tilt it all with power. We'll demonstrate that at the end of the video. And see, I don't want to forget anything. This little door right here has the leveling and stabilizer jack controls. So you'll see it's extend, retract, and that's all built in.
Some outlets?
Yeah, under your awning, outdoor receptacle. It's
got. How about the solar up there?
He's got 340 watts of solar up on the roof, and we've got our cart, so we're going to get up there and show you a nice picture of that.
Looks like 2 roof airs also there, Damon?
Yeah, it's got 2 ducted air conditioners. One's a 15,000 and one's a 13.5. Airstreams are all aluminum, including the roof. You can see the 4 solar panels. Roof looks really clean. It's got a maxi vent in the front, a couple of large skylights.
TV antenna?
TV antenna in the middle.
Boy, he's kept it really nice and clean on the stainless. Huh?
Definitely.
Or is it aluminum?
It's aluminum, and he has kept it up really nice and clean. In fact, a couple years ago, he took it to a place in Northern California and had it all ceramic coated. Wow. So he says now it's protected. They did the body and the wheels, and I think that was $6,000.
Wow.
Tires were replaced in 22 with Michelins, so they're newer tires. And as I said, this is the Classic model, which is their high-end flagship model at Airstream. On the back, we got a backup camera up on top, and the monitor is in the front of the trailer. There's a window awning back here.
All right, so we got some storage back here?
We do, yeah. This goes back underneath the bed.
Yeah.
That's where he kept his 50 amp shore cord. There's some wheel chocks on the right. Looks like a cover.
Yeah.
And then this bumper cover also lifts up. He's got a water hose here.
Sewer hose probably?
Sewer hose probably could go on the right. Awning rod. Oh, that's got a little safety lever.
Oh. Nice.
And then on this side, we got two more window awnings. One is probably 20 feet long.
Yeah.
Long one there.
Zip D.
Zip D. You got your dump valves down here behind the axle. Potable water for gravity fill is here. Refrigerator. 50 amp service. Yeah.
He's making me do all the dirty work.
Yeah.
Oh. So what's the holding tank sizes there, Damon?
Well, it's 37 gray, 39 black, 54 fresh. City water connection and black tank rinse. Looks like freshwater drain is right there.
Yeah.
The tanks have a heating system for them, so they're heated tanks. And then right up front ahead of Louis is your black and gray and your dump station. There's a little light right here, LED. This is the gravity fill for the freshwater tank. We'll just keep going, and Louis is having some difficulty over there.
Oh, no, I got it, pal.
You got it? Okay.
I got it. I'm getting educated.
Fridge access, cable TV at the park. Inputs, 50 amp service here. Outside shower, hot and cold. This is the Alde hydronic heat. 2017 was the first year this was offered as an option. And another item I learned quite a bit from Jerry on, the owner, is these had bad tanks and they'd rupture and ruin the floor.
Huh.
And before his failed, he actually went back to Alde and paid to have a brand new system put in, I think about a year ago. So that was all done at the factory. Truma, I think, is the name of the parent company. And the Alde system was replaced with something that's not going to fail. So that's already done.
Oh, nice.
Sewer hose holder right there.
Now the roof bears are heat pumps also?
Yeah.
Yeah. Mm-hmm. Okay.
And then you have an ID tag on all Airstreams, which has your tires specs, but it also will show you VIN number, model year. So that is right there. The trailer weighs 7,635 pounds. They pulled it with a 1-ton GMC Duramax dually.
Yep. Well, we'll get the awning out and then maybe go inside, huh?
Sounds good. We got about a foot.
So we didn't take it all the way out because we got a post here, but that's the Zip D awning.
Yeah, it'll go out a little further, and it's power tilt. So.
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah.
Well, let's go inside. right, we made it inside. Super nice
did.
and clean, huh?
It is.
I really like the flooring here.
Yeah, indoor, outdoor flooring.
And lots of sleeping. You got some nice couch here that recline and everything.
Yeah, dual recliners. They call this interior color chestnut, and I think the wood is a mocha stained cherry.
Yeah, and this flips down, which is nice. And you're kind of just mentioning something about this blower right here.
Oh, these are a pair of erPOD adjustable jet nozzles, they call them.
So if it's really hot, you get direct AC
Yep,
if
you
you
can
want.
adjust your ducting.
Yeah.
Skylight here, fantastic vent. All the manuals, a whole bunch of keys, and the monitor for the backup camera is right up here. And look at the way the stainless is, or the aluminum.
Yeah.
It's
Really good storage too, actually.
super clean, no visible wear. I mean, even the walls, the valances,
Yeah.
no stains. Has a multiplex lighting system, so I got an all off for the inside and outside. And then awning controls, awning light, tilt, entry door light, grab handle, patio, main ceiling. There's a few of these throughout the coach to adjust different 12-volt features.
Super nice. The dinette makes into a bed.
Yeah, power table that's adjustable.
That's what one of the options.
It was standard, actually.
Oh, really?
The only option on this that you had to choose from is if you wanted solar or not, and he did.
Yeah, he got it.
He got it. And then he added to it. It was a 160-watt system, I believe, was the option, and he's upgraded it to 340 watts of solar.
So you have all your readouts here. You could turn on your heat here, heat your tanks, and then your thermostat here.
I mean, look at the booth. There's just nowhere. The Corian is glossy. There's no scratches.
Yeah, it's hardly used. I mean, it's,
One big stainless steel sink. Got a little flip-up counter extension right here.
and like you were saying, I think being pre-owned is kind of nice because he dealt with a couple issues, like you were saying, on
Big
the heating
issues.
system.
Yeah.
That's been resolved. So
Yep. And then
you
he's
know.
got the Propride hitch. I mean, he's done some expensive options as well, upgraded the solar system, so yeah.
Yeah, I mean, buying new is not always the best thing.
Right.
So
And there's something to be said about it being in 2017. It was built pre-COVID, so that's another.
there's lots of stories on that one. So no,
Yeah.
we
do
having
have-
a hard time getting parts and stuff.
We do have the original window sticker as well. So I called Airstream, talked to a guy named Jeff. He was very nice and sent that right over, so that will go with the unit.
Yeah, good storage here. It's got some nice pullouts. Little trash can here. Got your 3-burner cooktop. Looks like a little oven here, Damon, huh?
Yeah. Got an oven and a cooktop.
Bake some cookies.
I think those are Dometic. We've got a microwave down here and a couple of storage drawers below.
Yeah. Back here, tons of storage. Dometic everything around here. Dometic refrigerator also. We'll pull out here. I'll let you get by, Jack. You want to see the freezer?
It's the Dometic 9 cubic foot over under. And again, very clean. Got a storage drawer down below. This also has a Polk audio sound system, which is standard. Yeah. You probably, did you get this pantry?
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
So on this side, Jack, I'll just crack it open, but you got the shower. And then right above you is a nice skylight with a shade on it, built in. And on this side is your water closet and sink. Same thing. I mean, you look at the cabinetry and the handles, there's no scratches from fingernails. Everything is in nice shape, no smells. Got a queen bed that's adjustable. There is storage above the bed and on each nightstand.
And under the bed, huh?
And under the bed. Yep, there's drawers on each side. I'll lift it up and show you what that looks like. So you got some storage. There's a drawer there and a drawer there, and then storage and another drawer in the front here. I'll open some of these up. They're quite large. The person that buys this is probably an Airstream fanatic already and knows all of this. So we're really just showing the condition here and how nice it is. We got a TV back here, another module for your lighting and your Polk audio. This is a thermostat for the rear roof air, measuring the temperature. So yeah, everything, I mean, there's no stains. Overall, it's in very nice condition.
Yeah, and we'll have a good description and the price at the front.
Sure.
At the beginning of the video, so.
All right.
All right, appreciate watching the video. Hit subscribe.
It's free. Thank you.